to actually watch out what is coming up in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin have been making big move right now. Bitcoin is currently making a big move right now that you need to actually pay attention to, right? And this will actually cause other cryptocurrency to actually face a fall down on their price. So currently right now, Bitcoin is currently selling at the rate of $28,354, and you can see how it's fluctuating. Means that Bitcoin is now breaking a particular zone in the market. Let us actually zoom into the chart. Let us actually go to the chart and see what Bitcoin movement has been causing in the market, right? Then we'll go over to the trend in the market to actually check out the 1 day time frame. The 1 day time frame will help us to actually see what is currently happening. Now over here we can actually see that we are actually breaking down from this level, right? This was a very nice level that we actually break out from, right? A very nice level that we actually break out from, right? After we pump to the upside, we have a more down move, right? This candle over here, which you see the green candle and the red candle, create a very strong zone, and whenever you see those zones, it means that market is actually going to fall down. Likewise, I have been also be predicting in this video. I'm going to actually check out what is going to check out the past. I'm actually going to check out the present. I'm actually going to actually discuss about the future on this price action that is actually taking on Bitcoin. As we see the Bitcoin price falling right now, Bitcoin price is falling right now, that we need to actually pay attention. Right now we can see that we are on a falling range pattern that you can actually check out the market, right? We are on a falling range pattern, right? Once we break out from this falling wedge pattern, we are actually going to see Bitcoin down for right now. Already we are actually breaking it. Already we are actually breaking it. Here you have this falling wedge pattern, right? You have this falling wedge pattern, and also here we are actually breaking it, right? Here you can see that Bitcoin is now currently breaking down below, and we need to actually pay attention to what is coming, right? Why did it happen? We see many supply and demand zone at the upside, right? You can see you have actually more demand, supply and demand zone in the upside, right? Over here supply and demand zone, over here supply and demand zone, over here supply and demand zone, over here. Because of these loads, we may actually see Bitcoin falling down. So we need to actually pay attention to what is coming up in Bitcoin. Like I said, we may actually drop down, right? You need to actually pay attention to what is coming up in the crypto market. Here you can actually see that from the 1 day time frame, each of these ticks represent 1 day time frame. We are actually breaking down. So let's go to today's main topic. Let's go for today's main topic. And currently right now you can see that this structure has been repeating since this year, right? This structure has been repeating. Let's go over to the 3 days time frame. If we should have the 3 days time frame. Okay, we don't have the 3 days time frame, but let us actually use this, right? This structure has been repeating when we were from here. This was January 1st, before we have the first round, right? Break down the first round, break down the first round, right? These have actually happened many times in the market. You can actually see that these have happened once, twice, thrice, right? This you need to actually pay attention. Right now we have this structure in the market. And we need to actually break out this level. Here we have this, right? We need to actually pump up to the upside. Some people are saying we are actually going to pump up to the upside, right? In this video I'm going to actually open your eye for you to know what is coming up in the crypto space right now. Now let us actually zoom in, right? We may actually use the past to actually check out the future, right? Over here you can actually see that this yellow line break this yellow line. We have two yellow lines that is here, right? You can actually pay attention to this yellow line that is here. This yellow line, one, it breaks this other yellow line, which is this one, right? Breaks it, we see actually the price of Bitcoin dropping, right? This is what is currently happening right now. We can actually see the yellow line and the other yellow line breaking, right? And over here, when they actually break, we actually see more significant downfall, right, in the market. So we need to actually pay attention to this zone, as we may see more significant downfall on the market, right? We may actually see a significant downfall on the market before actually paying attention to reversal or waiting to see the next move in the market, right? I'm still holding Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin goes down, I'm still going to buy. But in this video, I want to actually explain what we are currently seeing right now and discussing about the past. The reason why this is happening is because of these zones over here. We are currently creating all these zones that actually lead the price of Bitcoin to actually break down, right? You can actually see, and you may actually see more downfall in the price of Bitcoin, right? So over here, let's actually zoom into the 1 week time frame. The 1 week time frame, which you can actually see the bull market that actually happened before, went as high as $69,000, and you can actually see right now that we have actually break that level, and here we break it, right? So let us actually zoom in right now. Let's actually zoom in. I'm going to actually discuss something with you guys that you need to actually pay attention, because history is trying to repeat itself, right? Now you can actually see on this side, you can actually see on this side, this happens, right? We need to actually pay attention. Exactly what happened is what is currently happening right now. We need to actually pay attention. Guys. Pay attention to this level, right? Over here, you can actually see that we break this green line, break up, right? And you can see that another thing, you can see that this candles does not actually get filled up, right? It has more space, little candle with sticks. Over here, you can actually see that this candle gets filled up, right? They get filled up, leaving a little sticks, right? Also at this moment, right now, this is actually creating a little candle with a little stick, right? You can see it. This is a weekly time frame, right? You can go and check it out in a weekly time frame. You are actually going to see this, right? Now this means something. Pay attention, guys. Now on this edge, you can actually see this green, what should I call this line here? You can actually see this color of this line and the green line. You can actually check there's a green line, right? You can actually check there's a green line there, right? There's a green line. You can actually see this green line and the other line. Immediately this happens, this structure happens, you actually see these two switch, right? This line grows below this line, and they actually breaks right now. Now currently right now, this is actually repeating itself again. You can actually pay attention to what is coming up. That's what is currently going to happen, right? You will see Bitcoin actually going to fall, right? I'm going to actually explain everything in this video, and you need to actually pay attention to that. Right now, you can actually see that this structure, the green line, break, go. You can actually see it here, break, go. The same thing, right? The same movement. Now the how will I call this line? You can see this line cross, and if you come over to this side, cross, right? There's a huge movement here. At the body side, there's also a huge movement here. These are just similar. These are just the same step that is actually going to take here. Just that this happens on a down movement, while this is happening on the up movement. So you need to actually pay attention. This yellow line is currently breaking like this. You can see the curve line here. The curve line here. You can actually see the curve line here too. It's all actually the same. You need to actually pay attention to these levels, right? You may actually see Bitcoin break to this level, and if I should be checking at this level, you're actually going to see that Bitcoin is looking a way forward to actually make a huge move here, very huge move here, that you need to actually pay attention, guys. When this happens, you see a huge move, breaking the yellow line. You can see the yellow line and breaking this purple line. Right now, you can actually see that we have break the yellow line. Pay attention, guys. We have break the yellow line, trying to break this purple line. You may actually see Bitcoin drop more in price, so pay attention to that. Right now, we may actually see Bitcoin at $26,000. Pay attention to this. I'm announcing it. These are 9 minutes videos, and I need to actually cut this video up. Right now, we are actually going to see Bitcoin drop more in price. Right now, we may actually see Bitcoin drop to this level, right? This level where you're actually going to see this yellow stick drop this level, Of course, we need to actually discuss about these movements, right? Drop to these levels, right? You need to actually see Bitcoin drop to that level. Let me just create this level, right? You need to actually see a bounce back to this level before actually see that gigantic move coming up, right? For me, I'm going to say that Bitcoin is currently going to drop to $25,000. Pay attention, guys, because this is something that always happens. These are movements that always happen and that is about to happen in the market right now. Pay attention to what is coming, guys. And if we see Bitcoin drop, it's actually going to give Bitcoin more strong energy to actually run in the bull market, right? When we have this movement, it's currently saying that we are actually creating a viewer movement. Yeah, we are actually creating a viewer movement. For those of you who are interested in actually buying the coin, I'm actually introducing BT token to you. BT token is a coin that actually have no fluctuation in price, and you can start making money with it. If you want to get started, go to the description of this video, check out the links there. You're actually going to get started. So this is the movement we need to actually pay attention to in the price of Bitcoin. As you can see, the significant drop stick on the weekly time frame. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see my next video. Please like this video, subscribe if you are new, so that more people can actually see this video. Like this video, it's very, very important. I'm going to see my next video. Goodbye and God bless you. Like I said, the bull market is near, guys. The bull market is near. A good opportunity for you to stand by Bitcoin is here. When Bitcoin actually goes down, we're actually going to see huge pump to the upside. Pay attention to what is going to come up. I'm going to see you. Goodbye next time.